How to turn off censorship on Character AI. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and on this video I'll guide you how to turn off censorship on Character AI. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, open character.ai application or website settings. Now you have to look for the options related to filters or content moderation on the home feed. However, most of the AI platforms do not allow users to fully disable the search filters, so you have to understand the platform's rules. Review Character.ai's terms of service and community guidelines. Platforms have restrictions to ensure safety and comply with legal standards. So what you can do is you can easily open a certain chats, and now tap on message icon at bottom of the screen, and here you can try refreshing your questions or prompts to be more general or constructive. So here you can easily type the prompts such as help me to turn off censorship or simply turn off censorship. And AI responses might vary based on how questions are asked. So if you are facing issues or need clarifications about a specific key restrictions, you can contact character.ai support team for assistance. So for creating tutorials or guides, it's crucial to provide accurate and ethical instructions so you can easily follow this step and turn off censorship on character.ai. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.